This is the procedure for setting gripper points on the GR84 gripper. The grippers come with the points in their out position and the lock nuts locked down. The first thing to do then is to hold the points and loosen the lock nuts to allow you to adjust the points. From there, turn the points in towards the panel to set the panel's location. First using the gripper mount for your gross adjustment and the points themselves for the fine adjustment. Once the panel position is set, hold the points in place and lock them with the lock nuts. With the panel position established, close the gripper with air and the panel in location, and by hand turn the active jaws points into contact with the panel enough to hold the panel, to just hold the panel in place. From there, the gripper needs to be closed with air. From there, release the panel, turn the points in towards the panel one full turn, and hold them and lock them down with the lock nuts. From there, close the panel with air. The gripper will be locked. Your sensor will tell you that you're closed. To verify that everything is correct, release the air and the gripper should stay in the locked position. If it releases, your adjustment's too high. If it doesn't, everything is fine. There is a release mechanism on the side, a certain small Allen wrench, 3mm Allen wrench, should allow you to free the jaw, and that verifies your settings correct.